गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। तो आज का हमारा ये अमाइनो एसिड, प्रोटीन एंड पेप्टाइड पे सेकंड वीडियो है। उसमें पहले वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि अमाइनो एसिड क्या होता है और उसके टाइप्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि इसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड, नॉन इसेंशियल एंड सेमी इसेंशियल अमाइनो एसिड कौन से होते हैं। उसके बाद अमाइनो एसिड में दो फंक्शनल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होती है, एक अमाइनो और एसिडिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिडिक ग्रुप। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टू ग्रुप there are two different types of reactions are takes place with amino acid. First one is the reaction due to an amino group and second one is the reaction due to an carboxylic group. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं रिएक्शन ड्यू टू एन अमाइनो ग्रुप। तो फर्स्ट वन रिएक्शन है विथ स्ट्रॉन्ग इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड। अमाइनो एसिड की पहली रिएक्शन विथ इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड। This reaction is takes place due to amino group. In amino acid, NH2 group is present. This one is the amino acid. This one is the molecular formula of amino acid. This one is a NH2 group, and this is a COH group. This NH2 group is a basic in nature. So when the amino acid react with HCl, then acidic acid and base react with each other and form a salt. So when the amino acid react with inorganic acid form salt, these salt are sparingly soluble in water. When the amino acid react with HCl, then it gives a sparingly soluble salt like this. The second one reaction is a alkylation reaction. What is meant by the alkylation? The replacement of a hydrogen atom. A replacement of a hydrogen atom by alkyl group is known as a alkylation reaction. The reaction in which the hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group. That means when we have to add a alkyl group to a given compound, then such a reaction is called as a alkylation reaction. This alkylation reaction takes place with alkyl halide. When the amino acid react with this amino acid are here presented in the form of ion. This type of ionic form of amino acid is called as a Zwitter ion. RCH positive CO negative ion, because the amino acid exists in a dipolar form. This dipolar form is called as the Zwitter ion. When this amino acid react with alkyl halide, then one of the hydrogen atom of NH3 group is replaced by R dash, that means alkyl group. This reaction is known as a alkylation reaction. That means the compound form is a N-alkyl alpha amino acid. This compound is called as the N-alkyl alpha amino acid. After that, in the excess of alkyl halide, when the excess of alkyl halide react with alpha amino acid, then it gives a quaternary ammonium salt having two alter ionic character and are known as a betaine. Here the alpha amino acid, that means in the form of Zwitter ion, react with thrice CH3 ion, then all the three hydrogen atom of NH3 is replaced by three alkyl group, that means methyl group, and N trimethyl alpha amino acid, that is called as a betaine. Betaine is formed. Now the next reaction is third reaction is the arylation reaction. First of all, we have to take some information about the arylation. What is meant by the arylation? Arylation means the replacement of hydrogen atom by aryl group, replacement of a hydrogen atom of a given compound by aryl group is known as a arylation reaction. Here one of the compound is taken for the arylation. One of the compound is taken for arylation is the 2,4-dinitro-fluorobenzene. Second one is the alpha amino acid, which is present in the form of dipolar ion and twice sodium bicarbonate. When the amino acid react with 2,4-dinitro-fluorobenzene and sodium bicarbonate, then it gives such a type of compound 2,4-dinitrophenyl derivative. 2,4-dinitro phenyl derivative. Here some notes are given below the reaction. The strong electron withdrawing nitro group. The nitro group is a electron withdrawing group which is present at ortho and para to a fluorine. Stabilize the intermediate carbanion. There are some information given about that reaction. So first of all, we have to explain here what is meant by arylation. Arylation means replacement of a hydrogen atom of a amino acid by the aryl group is known as arylation, and such a type of reaction takes place when the amino acid react with 2,4-dinitrophenylbenzene in presence of sodium bicarbonate, then 2,4-dinitrophenyl derivative is obtained. After that, next one reaction. तो अभी तक के हमने पहली रिएक्शन देखी विथ इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड, सेकंड वन रिएक्शन देखी अल्किलेशन रिएक्शन, थर्ड वन रिएक्शन एरिलेशन रिएक्शन. अभी फोर्थ रिएक्शन देखने जा रहे हैं विथ एसिलेटिंग और बेंजाइलेटिंग एजेंट. दैट मीन्स दिस रिएक्शन इज एसिलेशन रिएक्शन और एसिटिलेशन रिएक्शन और बेंजाइलेशन रिएक्शन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय द एसिटिलेशन रिएक्शन? This reaction is also same as like alkylation and arylation. In that case, the replacement of hydrogen atom of amino acid takes place by acetyl group or benzyl group. So acetylation reaction takes place with acetic anhydride as well as acetyl chloride, and benzylation reaction takes place in presence of benzyl chloride. So the alpha amino acid react with acetic anhydride, then it gives the N-acetyl. It gives N-acetyl alpha amino acid with the elimination of side product like CH3COH. That means this CH3CO group enter in alpha amino acid with the replacement of a hydrogen atom of alpha amino acid. अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड का हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस होगा और उसके जगह एसिटिल ग्रुप लगेगा, तो प्रोडक्ट हमें मिलने वाला है एन एसिटिल अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड, एंड द साइड प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन्ड इज एसिटिक एसिड. आफ्टर दैट similar reaction is also takes place with acetyl chloride, but the side product obtained in the presence of acetyl chloride, side product obtained is HCl, because when the acetyl chloride react, then the CH3CO group is attached to the nitrogen atom, and hydrogen atom and remaining chlorine atom combine to gives the HCl in case of acetyl chloride. But in case of acetic anhydride, there is a side product is a acetic acid. After that, if the reaction is takes place in presence of benzyl chloride, तो यहाँ पे हमने दिया है अमाइनो एसिड विच इज इन द डाइपोलर when react with a benzyl chloride. Similar reaction is takes place, but this reaction is takes place in presence of a pyridine. When the amino acid react with a benzyl chloride, then the benzyl group CH3CO group is attached to the nitrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom is replaced by NH2 group, and Cl of benzyl chloride combined to gives the HCl. So the product obtained is N-benzyl amino acid. Now the next reaction is with nitrous acid. The molecular formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. It is written in the form of OH-NO. nitrous acid is written in the form of OH dash OH dash or bond NO2, OH bond NO2, like this. So when the alpha amino acid react with nitrous acid, then amino group of alpha amino acid is replaced by OH group, then it gives the hydroxy acid. When the NH2 group of alpha amino acid is replaced by hydroxy group, so the compound form is a hydroxy acid, and nitrogen gas is eliminated, also water. This reaction takes place with the nitrous acid. Now the sixth reactions of amino acid is with a nitrosyl chloride or bromide. The molecular formula of nitrosyl chloride is NOCl, and nitrosyl bromide is a NOBr, NOCl and NOBr, nitrosyl chloride and nitrosyl bromide. When the alpha amino acid react with nitrosyl chloride, then the replacement of NH2 group takes place by using Cl. That means NH2 group is replaced and Cl group is attached. So the compound form is alpha chloro acid with the elimination of nitrogen gas and water. Similar reaction is also takes place with NOBr. In that case, the amino group of alpha amino acid is replaced by Br. So the compound form is alpha bromo acid with the elimination of nitrogen and water. Now the next reaction, seventh reaction, is deamination reaction. Here the heading is wrong. Deamination reaction, that means deamination means removal of NH2 group. When the alpha amino acid react with HI at 200 degrees centigrade, when the alpha amino acid react with HI, that means hydroiodic acid, at 200 degrees centigrade, the amino group is eliminated to form a fatty acid. Therefore, when RCHNH2COH, that means alpha amino acid, when heated with HI, hydroiodic acid, at 200 degrees centigrade, then the NH2 group is replaced by hydrogen atom. So the compound form is a fatty acid, RCH2COH, and NH2 group is removed. This reaction is also takes place with hydrogen peroxide. When the alpha amino acid when react with hydrogen peroxide, then it gives keto acid type compound. That means here alpha amino acid when heated with or reacted with hydrogen peroxide, the molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. When the alpha amino acid react with hydrogen peroxide, then it gives twice R C double bond O COO NH4. That means ammonium salt of this compound is that means here the ammonium salt of given compound is obtained, called as a keto acid with the elimination of हाइड्रोजन गैस. ठीक है, तो इस प्रकार से हमने अभी तक के 7 केमिकल रिएक्शंस अमाइनो एसिड की पढ़ी है. तो पहली रिएक्शन थी अमाइनो एसिड की, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन थी विथ इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड. इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड के साथ अमाइनो एसिड साल्ट प्रिपेयर करता है. सेकंड वन रिएक्शन थी अल्किलेशन. व्हेन द अल्किलेशन रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस, देन इट गिव्स द n alkyl alpha amino acid. That means in the second reaction, hydrogen atom of amino acid is replaced by alkyl group. So n alkyl alpha amino acid is obtained. If the excess of alkyl halide is reacted with alpha amino acid, then it gives the trialkyl alpha amino acids, n trialkyl or trimethyl alpha amino acid. Now the third reaction is the arylation reaction. In that reaction, hydrogen atom of alpha amino acid is replaced by aryl group. when the alpha amino acid react with 2,4-dinitropluorobenzene and sodium bicarbonate. Now the next reaction is the acetylation or acylation or benzylation reaction. This reaction is takes place with acetic anhydride as well as benzyl chloride. The product obtained is an acetyl alpha amino acid. तो इस प्रकार से हमने विथ इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड, अल्किलेशन, एरिलेशन, एसिलेशन, ये 4 रिएक्शन पढ़ी थी। उसके बाद हमने 5वीं रिएक्शन पढ़ी थी विथ नाइट्रस एसिड। नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड कंपाउंड मिलता था, यानी कि अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड अगर नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं तो NH2 ग्रुप रिप्लेस होके वहाँ पे OH लगेगा, दैट मीन्स हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म। ऐसे 5 रिएक्शन होने के बाद जो 6वीं रिएक्शन थी हमारी, उसमें नाइट्रोसिल क्लोराइड और नाइट्रोसिल ब्रोमाइड का यूज़ किया था हमने। वहाँ पे भी अमाइनो ग्रुप निकल के Cl लग जाता है और नाइट्रोसिल ब्रोमाइड के साथ भी NH2 ग्रुप निकल के Br लग जाता है, दैट मीन्स अल्फा क्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड, अल्फा क्लोरो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड अल्फा ब्रोमो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड टाइप के कंपाउंड्स हमें मिल रहे थे। उसके बाद हमने 7वीं रिएक्शन देखी, उसमें 2 रिएक्शन थी कि अगर अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड को हॉट HI के साथ हीट किया जाए 200 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक के, तो अमाइनो ग्रुप निकल जाता है और हमें फैटी एसिड मिलता है। और सेम रिएक्शन हमने H2O2 के साथ अगर की तो हमें कीटो एसिड टाइप का कंपाउंड मिल रहा है। तो इस प्रकार से हमने अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड की रिएक्शन ड्यू टू अमाइनो ग्रुप आपको बताने का प्रयास किया है। तो आप किताबों में से फिर से यही टॉपिक अच्छे से पढ़ें और ये रिएक्शन ध्यान में रखें, यही आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूँ। और ये वीडियो यहीं पे स्टॉप करता हूँ। थैंक यू।